Welcome to Emilac Online tutorial. Now let's look at this exponential equation. Okay, and it reads that if x raised to the power of 6 equals 9 raised to the power of x, and we have to find the value of x. Okay, now first of all, what do we do? Here we have x raised to the power of 6 then equals 9 raised to the power of what? X. Okay, my first thought here was to bring this exponent x to the left hand side and the exponent 6 to the right hand side. So but how do you go about it? Okay, now first of all, let's move the x first. Now let's raise this, okay, both sides of the equation by the exponent, the reciprocal of x. Okay, so if we have x like this, now the reciprocal is 1 over what? X. Okay, so let us raise both sides by the reciprocal of x. So here we have 1 over x and here 1 over what? X. Okay, so at this point now, according to the law of indices, if you have a raised to the power of m or raised to the power of n, we can multiply this. So in this case now we're also multiplying. Okay, but however, x times 1 over x will actually give us x over what? X, which will give us what? 1. So which means this will eliminate this, and we end up having x raised to the power of 6 or raised to the power of 1 over x then equals what? 9. Okay, now at this point again, here, this exponent, or this law rather, can also be written as a n or raised to the power of what? M. Okay, so at this point now, which means we can actually swap it. So which means we can do same here, and by so doing we have x raised to the power of 1 over x now, or raised to the power of what? 6, then equals what? 9. Now here is 6. Okay, now for us to eliminate this 6 and for us to have it here, we'll also raise both sides of the equation by the reciprocal of what? 6. So here you have, then applying the same rule here, okay, this 6 will also eliminate this, so we are left with what? X raised to the power of 1 over x then equals what? 9 raised to the power of 1 over what? 6. Now but we have a problem here. You can see the base and the reciprocal of the exponent is the same. Okay, but however here the base and the reciprocal of the exponent is not the same. So how do you go about it? Now let's do this. 9 can be rewritten in terms of exponent as 3 raised to the power of 2, right? So let us say x raised to the power of 1 over x equals 3 raised to the power of 2 or raised to the power of 1 over what? 6. Okay, now at this point again, let's just apply this rule here. Okay, so we multiply. By multiplying, that will be 2 times 1 over 6, now giving us 2 over 6, giving us 1 over what? 3. So which means the product of these two will give us 1 over 3. So here we have x raised to the power of 1 over x equals 3 raised to the power of 1 over what? 3. Now looking at this now, we can conclude that x equals what? 3. Because by comparison, the base, the left hand side, the right hand side have the same structure. Okay, thank you and God bless you.